Welcome to a modern pomegranate juice factory, where fresh fruit is transformed into premium juice using advanced food processing technology. Each batch is inspected for quality, size, and ripeness to ensure only the best fruit enters production.
The journey begins with carefully selected, ripe pomegranates, sourced directly from trusted farms.
The pomegranates are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, residues, and surface impurities. Advanced optical sorting systems grade each fruit by size and color for consistent quality. The fruits are gently crushed to extract juice while preserving natural color and antioxidants. Freshly extracted juice flows through food-grade systems for further refinement.
Pasteurization ensures safety and extends shelf life without compromising flavor. Filtration removes seeds and pulp, creating a smooth and consistent texture.
Before filling, bottles are sterilized to meet strict hygiene standards. From farm to bottle, this is how premium pomegranate juice is made.